I'm Anu, working as a subject matter expert at CloudDat. Today, we are going to deep dive into few of the important November updates for Power BI. Here is the first update that we have got for Power BI. So everyone likes a stacked chart, either it's a bar chart or a column chart. Now the update that we have got for the stacked chart here is we can reverse the stack order. Now that is one thing which is quite important while we are dealing with any like parameter which is related to the x-axis and the y-axis that is present. Now let me just add the total sales here and let me just add the year as well. So this chart gives me the total sales year wise. Now when I see the next one which is related to the category that we have got here, I'll be having the stack. Like in the year 2011, I have 3 categories and it spreads over 2014 and the different categories are there here. Now, how do I reverse the change of it? Now, let me just turn on the data labels to show you that what is the sales that we have got here for each and every year. Now, I can just search in the search bar of the formatting which is related to the order. Alright, so here I can turn on and turn off the stack order quite easily to our requirement. So this is one of the key updates that we have got in Power BI this month. Here is the second update that we have got for you today, which is the optimize ribbon. So everyone is quite clear that modeling pane had different options related to the optimize pane that is there with respect to performance analyzer. Now we have got 2 more visuals update that is there, which is pause and refresh. Now everyone is quite concerned that how to make use of how to see this optimized ribbon here. So I'll go to the file option, go to the options and settings, go to options, and in the preview features here, I have got different features which will be the later updates that we get. Now after clicking on each and every option here, we'll be going for restarting of the application, which I've already done, and I have got this optimizing feature here. Now, how to make use of this optimize feature here is that we can build a visual quickly. Now, I just want the customer name and I want the total sales here and I've got the total profit as well. Now, I was wondering that why didn't I include total cost as well. So for that, in case of refreshing the visual, the entire refreshing of the visual takes place, and I'll just pause the visual when I want to add the total cost. So I'll just add the total cost here, which is a measure, and it immediately comes in the visual here. Now I can just refresh the visuals here, or I can just see that I can have the refreshing of the entire visual which is there on the screen. So that's one important update that we have got. And I can also pause the visual here and I can add a few more things that is related to total sales by ship date. Now this does not come here because I have paused the visual directly and I just have to press on removing, or I can have refreshing of the visual queries done here. So this is one of the updates that we have got for the optimized ribbon that's been used for pause and refresh. The Azure map updates. Now we have bored of using all the field map and also the map visual, general map visual that we have used. Now, when you talk about this Azure map, if I click on this Azure map, the similar features what you have got as latitude, longitude, and I have added the region and legend, and the size is related to the total profit. So unlike what we see in other maps, it is quite one and the same. But here comes the important thing here, where you can click on the different Bing maps that are already there, and you can see how well the roads are there, and which is quite useful when you want to look into what are the sales that are happening and what is the total profit, total cost. So you can see variety of features here when you talk about different options that are there in the map. So this seems to be quite a good option while using any Power BI development of a report or a dashboard that you're going to see. So you can see all these different options here, and you can also look into the different 3D view of it, and you can turn into any side here, and you can see different ways, like you will be getting an overall 360-degree feature of this map. So here are the few updates that I wanted to bring to you in this video. Thank you everyone. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up And don't forget us to follow on all our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified. Do feel free to drop your queries in the comments and we'll try our best to address it. See you soon.